Hello and welcome to Jessi FIT Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible as we strengthen, stretch, and smile. We are back with another classic Pilates workout in celebration of March Madness. If you've not heard of March Madness before, it is basically a love of Pilates. There's 31 classical Pilates exercises and 31 days of March. In the classical series there, we're done in a specific order every single time. So we are honoring Joseph Pilates and the way he did things with it. Grab a magic circle today. We're doing the classical intermediate Pilates magic circle workout. We are going to start with our magic circle today, actually around our thighs. I want you to bring it a little bit above your knees. I want you to come into your flat back position. So really hug those abs in, right? I usually teach a neutral spine, but I am going to be doing this flat back in honor of the way I learned it with Ramana. So open those legs wide, take a deep breath in, reach the arms up, draw the shoulders back, curl up your head, start your hundreds if you can, open the legs or stretch the legs up. Now take a deep breath in, and now as you exhale, I want you to open that circle, right? Breathe in, you can release the circle a little bit, exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you want to make it harder, keep that hollow back and really lower the legs. Breathe in, exhale, open, breathe in. Big pumping arms, exhale, open the circle, breathe in. I'm trying to keep my chest lifted, my abs in. Exhale, open, 4 more rounds, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. One more time, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe it out. Grab that magic circle. Let's go ahead and place the circle inside the wrist, anchor the legs down, bend the knees if you can. A little awkward to get in there. Once you get it, you're gonna really open through the shoulders. I'm gonna bring my feet together, draw your chin to your chest. See if you can peel up and keep tension on that circle. Draw your abs in, stretch it forward. Take it back, one vertebra at a time. Try to open that circle. Reach it back, and I'm going pretty slow here, keeping my abs as hollow as I can. I'll tuck my tail to roll up. I'll hollow and stretch. Slowly back and reach back. Keeping a little tension on the circle. Lift the head to your chest. Draw your abs in. Now the more you use the circle, the easier it'll be. Let's do a few a little faster. Taking it back and up. And again, taking it back. One vertebra at a time and up. Anchoring those feet down. And again, 2 more. And reach. One more time. Hook your right foot. We always do the right foot classically. Now I'm going to anchor that left foot down. Remember, you can watch my video from last week and do these with a bent knee if you're still working on it. So take that quick stretch. From here, I'm going to squeeze the circle. I'm going to try to bring my leg to the circle, keeping the circle still. So I'm not going to bring my circle to the leg. Circle over my chest, bring that leg up, across, around, right, across. Keeping the circle still, a little tension on it. Just a few more. Abs are in as I lift that leg. Kick that circle and then out around and up, out around, up. Tapping that circle, right? Trying not to move my arms, just that leg. Now scissor the legs. I'll let you take the stretch here really quick. Deep breath in. Now anchor the opposite leg down. So nice deep stretch in. Soften that knee if you need to. Squeeze that circle. Bring it across, around, up. Across, around, up. Across, around, up. Across, around, up. A few more. Oh, actually, oops, for you. So bring that leg up. Now, this is my tighter side. Lift into the circle, right? So you're lifting, as you can see, not so easy. Now bring it across, around, to the circle, to the circle, to the circle, to the circle. Now, other direction, out, around, and up. Out around, right? Bring that leg to the circle. Try not to move my arms. I think I fell. They're going to bring my arms back a little bit. Up and up. Now roll up, slide the circle between your ankles, and try to ankle it so it's not gonna sort of hit you. We're gonna go right into rolling like a ball. Keep that circle as still as you can. Rock back and up. Inhale back. Exhale up. Inhale back. Exhale up. A few more. One more time. Now, from here, bring your knees and your feet together. Stretch one leg out. Now, hover the circle above your knees. Squeeze it every time your knee comes in. Squeeze. Squeeze. Keep your back flat. Right now, point. Point. Take it low if you can. Point for 8. Now, let's add a twist. 7, 6, 5. Right. Twist and squeeze. 4, 3, 2. Now into double leg stretch. Let's go ahead and place the circle in between the legs. Right from here, we'll reach the legs and the arms away. Bring those arms in, grab the circle. Reach, grab. Inhale. Exhale, heels are together, right? Open. Inhale, squeeze the circle. Exhale, 4 more. And reach. And 3. And reach, and 2, and reach, 1 more, and 1, and reach. Awesome. Now, lower your head down. Let's go ahead and place the circle now behind the nape of the neck, and reach those legs up. Flex your toes if you can. Keep your back really flat to that mat, and scissor, 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 scissor. Now maybe lift your head, and now add the kick, kick. Kick, 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 kick. Notice that I'm keeping my torso really still. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take the legs up, reach the circle down, and I'm gonna do this, pressing the circle and trying not to move the circle. Right? Right, pressing that circle down. Maybe you can lift your head and try a few. I think it's on my hair. I really don't want to move that. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your neck down. Let's go ahead and bring the circle right to our thighs, like this, okay? Now lift your head up, stretch one leg, and then release it. Now, I want you to twist your torso slightly. Twist. Now, I'm twisting this way, but this side still stays down. Twist, right? And 6, 5. If it hurts your neck, just take your head down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch those legs out. I'm gonna have you press that circle down and just take a big deep stretch here for your back before you place the circle between your ankles. Stretch up for that open leg rocker. See if you can get those legs to be straight. Squeeze the circle, rock back and up, trying to keep those legs straight and that circle really still. Trying to really balance and not rock onto your neck. Right, really squeeze that circle at the top. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time. And inhale, back, exhale, bring it up, grab it. We're gonna go right to the saw. So let's place it down. And just kind of with that crisscross, we're gonna bring it up to the center, press. More of a stretch than anything. Reach and press. You know, you probably bend this arm, but just keep that back arm straight. Yeah, I really feel that stretch. 4, 3, 2, one more time, 1. Okay, from here, we're gonna lay onto our belly with the circle underneath. Let's slide the circle underneath our face, squeeze it, and I want you to lift up. Keeping the circle and over, lift your toes, kick one leg, flexing the foot, point the foot down. Kick, kick, point, kick, kick, point, kick, kick, point, kick, kick, point, kick, kick, point. Now just hold one side in, give it a nice big stretch, really try to bring that heel all the way in. Maybe the other one, just squeeze it all the way in. Notice that my hips are not touching the mat. Let's try the double leg kick. So let's go heels together, toes apart, kick once, twice, 3 times. And I want you to take your feet down and then reach it back. And down, and 1, 2, 3. Take it down and reach. Right now, just hold there. Really try to squeeze it. You'll see it doesn't go very far. Now bend, kick, 2, 3, reach. Turn the other cheek and kick, 2, 3, and stretch. Now, bring that circle around, leg onto your back. And I actually want you to place that circle in between your heels. Squeeze that circle. Try to keep the legs straight. Take your hands behind the nape of your neck. You can always bend your knees a little bit. Now anchor your hips. See if you can roll your spine up. Stretch down, lift, and then hinge before you go back, right? Up, stretch, lift it, hinge back as much as you can, and then finally try to roll down. Now, the more you squeeze that circle, the easier this should get, although it ain't easy. Hinge it back, take it down again, up, big deep stretch. I'm gonna grab the circle, place it maybe about mat widths apart. Notice that I'm not straight, my legs are at an angle. Now press into that circle the whole time, raise that leg. Now press into the circle the whole time, draw your abs in, find that vertical neutral, kick the circle, stretch, right? So kick it, really get that extra depth, kick it, back, kick it, back, kick it, back, kick it, and then hold it back there. Really get that stretch. Just do a few circles back there. Circle, circle, circle. Now other way. Circle, circle, circle. Now right from there, bring it right in front of the other heel. Take it up and down and up and down and up and down and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Hold it up there, little pulses, up, 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 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the leg on down, lay onto your back, bring the circle underneath your face again. You can keep your head down, lift your feet, hollow out your belly, squeeze, lift your feet and beat them together. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then roll onto the other side. So I'm going to stay on this, show you the back side just so you can see what's going on. The big thing is you're angling the feet and you're not wiggling the hips. The hips stay right, stacked on one another. Your abs are in. The circle presses. You'll kick the circle, reach, kick, reach, kick, reach, kick, reach. Now make sure you're keeping your torso still. A few more here. Kick it, reach it, kick it, reach it, kick it. Now hold it there. Notice that I tried not to really move my hips. Small circles, small circles, small circles, small circles, and other direction, right? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, shoulder over shoulder, hip over hip. Now let's do that up, down. Take it up, down. Now that one was kind of bad. You saw my hip move down, up, down, up, and lift, and lower, and lift, and lower, and 5, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and hold up their little pulses. Up, 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 up. Lay onto your back. Bring your knees into your chest. Let's squeeze the circle. Reach those legs out to a table. Curl your head up. Stretch your legs. Float up. Bend your knees. Control the way down. Really squeeze the circle. Roll up. Stretch the knees. Bend down. Now if that feels good, stretch the legs out. Hold them there. Roll up. You can try to reach back. Up. Out and lift. Back. Back. Up. Up a few more and back. Back and up. And up. Big, deep stretch and hold the circle really, really to your toes. Give your back a big stretch. Let's do one more thing before we go. Push-ups with the circle. I love doing them here. Bring the ledge of your circle to the bottom of your ribs. Take your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Now, Pilates and yoga, we bend those elbows close to the body as opposed to outside. Let's go for 4. And if you send your weight into it, you'll see the spring of the circle helps you. 2 and 1. Take your knees down. Slide your feet in front of you. I kind of lied. We're going to do the seal. Let's lift your feet open. 1, 2, 3. Roll back. 1, 2, 3. Now squeeze the circle. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Back. 2, 3. Can you cross your feet? Bring that circle in front. And dynamite. This is Jessi FIT Pilates. Welcome to my rainbow-filled world of Pilates, fitness, and fun. Make sure you hit the blog. Check out my free ebook, my membership plan, my monthly membership plan, and if you're interested in coaching, let me know online via Skype, Zoom, FaceTime, all that. Hit me up on the website, jessifitpilates.com. Your home to get fit, toned,